Hello the internet! It is Friday the 7th of February 2025 and welcome back to the channel. Are you hearing me okay? Is the audio okay? That's an interesting question because this video is going to be all about audio. In particular, a new microphone that I just bought. The Wireless Go Generation 3 from Rode Microphones. And I want to open it here and show you what it's all about. And I want to tell you how I'm going to use it. And we're going to do it here at the beautiful Crookhaven Heads because being outdoors is always better. The Wireless Go is a powerful, compact wireless microphone system ideal for a wide range of content creation applications. It offers a range of features for capturing pristine audio in any situation, including intelligent gain assist technology and 32-bit float onboard recording with 32 gig of internal memory. Interesting. Rode's state-of-the-art Series 4 2.4 gigahertz digital transmission delivers best-in-class range with broadcast-grade inbuilt microphones for crystal clear audio capture. It is universally compatible with cameras, phones, and computers, and even more flexibility features locking lavalier connectors, dedicated buttons for triggering recording, auto power on-off, and a TRRS jack on the receiver for headphones, monitoring, and audio inputs. This is the kind of microphone system that you would buy if you didn't have any. I've already got a microphone that I'm very happy with on my vlogging camera. I'm going to show it to you now by recording a little video here on my iPhone. This is the Rode VideoMic Pro Plus, and I've been using that for a long time with no problems. So this setup is not for what we're doing here now. I'm stoked with what I've got there. This device is going to be used for something else, and I'll tell you about that once we've opened it. Harness the freedom of wireless. There's the transmitter, receiver, transmitter, okay. Velocity, TRRS cable, USB Type-C, and a USB Type-C to Lightning. And a little windsock too, perfect. Something else in here? What is this? Charge station. Ah, yeah, okay. I bought a charge case as well, so we won't need this thing, but that's an interesting Type-C 3-banger. Pretty cool. Some instructions and a little bag there. Okay, so we'll keep all that aside here. Transmitter. I'm only going to need one transmitter, so I'll put that one back in the box. Here is the receiving unit. Here is the transmitting unit. If I understand correctly, these are good to go out of the box. To test that, I am going to use my phone, and this is why I bought this device. You know my planking videos. I've been using my iPad to shoot these random plank videos in wherever I am. And the thing that I've noticed is the iPhone is hideous when it comes to wind. I needed to get a microphone for the iPhone, or in that case the iPad. Same thing, Type-C connection is what we're talking about. I looked into these Wireless Go Generation 3 from Rode, and they do obviously have that feature, Type-C. So I can put in the receiving unit straight into my iPhone, and then I can just turn this on and start talking. You've got audio from wherever you walk into the iPad, and you've got a windsock that you can cover up. So that's why I bought this. Another reason I bought this device was because I want to use it for surfing. Yeah, that's right, surfing. That's going to require a few little additional steps, but that'll be another time. So let's try it. Let's just go for gold. Quite a short little Type-C cable run, which is fine. We don't need it to be very long. Oh, let's take off the, I'm going to just plug it straight into there. I'll plug it straight into there, into the phone. I guess I will, and it tells me I probably should look at the instructions, I guess. Let me just quickly check the instructions. Press and hold the O button on the receiver and both transmitters. They'll power on, automatically pair. Press the O button on the receiver. Okay, pressing it. I press it. Turns on. Comes already charged, that's handy. Take that off. Press the O button on this. Don't see anything light up there. Okay, this doesn't have a display on it, but I can see we're receiving a signal on 1. Okay. It's got a little status bar on here, and it's the little dial, or the little waveforms are highlighting up and down. So it is receiving, it's receiving the signal. Connect the receiver to your camera or phone and start recording. So that's all it takes. Are you kidding me? Plugging it in here. And I'm gonna just turn this phone on to record mode, video. And I'm just gonna test it. I'm just shooting video here right now as a test. That's just hanging off willy-nilly. I'm using this microphone, I'm talking into it, it's getting closer and further away, and then I'm going to verify that it is coming in through the audio from here by pressing stop. I think I've got to unplug it to play it, because otherwise it'll think it's got an external an external speaker attached. Here right now as a test, that's just hanging off willy-nilly. I'm using this microphone, I'm talking into it, it's getting closer and further away, and then I'm going to verify that it is coming in through the audio from here by pressing stop. I'm just shooting video here right now. I don't think that was using the audio from there at all. I think that was using the inbuilt microphone. So I wonder if there's a setup procedure that you need to activate in the phone. It might have been working and it just was really good. I'll do another test, and the test will involve starting a record here. So I'm now recording. I'm going to put this down here, and I'm going to walk quite far away with this, and that's the only way we'll really be able to tell. If I just keep walking away, if I keep walking and talking and dropping my voice down lower, and then we'll see if it is picking it up from over here, or if it's not. We'll just have to work this out. I'm as far away so that microphone's not picking me up, and now I'm pacing back, and I think that should be a good enough test. That should be a pretty clear test. We'll go and have a listen to that, and we will see. We will see. All right. Stop this record. Let's play it back. I'm going to put this down here. There we go. And I'm going to walk quite far away with this, and that's the only way we'll really be able to tell. If I just keep walking away, if I keep walking and talking, and dropping my voice down lower, it was working the whole time. We'll see if it is picking it up from right over here, or if it's not. We'll just have to work this out. I'm as far away. Dudes, it was working the whole time. It was working the first time. It worked. It literally worked exactly as those three-point instruction set said. It just worked. And that is historically something that Rode's quite well known for. Their shit just works. So quickly, let's open up the charge case and I'll show you that. This guy is going to allow me to put all 3 items in here. I'll show you. I'll turn this off, I guess. Yeah, look at that. Slots in. That's a pretty tidy fit. Receiving unit, put it in there. And then this guy, you can basically just have that plugged in to any old power bank that's Type C, like this one. And there it is charging. And the reason I bought that is because while when we start doing the surfing stuff, this will be a case of where we can also charge it on the road. On the Rode microphone. So there you go. Rode microphones, Wireless Go Gen 3. I paid 399 Australian dollars. And for the charge case, 179 Australian dollars. I'm psyched, I'm stoked, I hope you are. Like, share and subscribe while you're here. And just remember, from here on in, when we plank, the audio should be cleaner. I'm gonna pop on that little windsock as a matter, oh, there's 2 of them, cool. Yeah, rad. I'm gonna pop that on so that we never have wind issues. And I'll see you on the next upload.